End of 2023. As per our Cardano cost forecast 2023, Cardano is supposed to reach 38 cents at least, and the greatest cost could be 51 cents in 2023. End of 2025. Our Cardano cost expectation 2025 estimates that Cardano cost is supposed to run somewhere in the range of 82 cents and 95 cents by 2025. End of 2030. Cardano is strategically situated to arrive at its maximum capacity later on. Cardano ADA coin might arrive at a new high of $2.17 by 2030, according to our Cardano cost forecast 2030. Cardano ADA is one of the most innovatively progressed blockchains available, thanks to its long-haul, deductively coordinated advancement. It additionally stays one of the quickest developing and most famous crypto projects as of now. In this article, we'll rapidly survey the ongoing movement of the digital money, with an emphasis on its extended development in 2023. 2025 and 2030. All in all, forecasts from the most notable examiners and stages will be summed up together. Toward the finish of this survey, a reasonable picture will arise concerning how high Cardano will go before very long. We will attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some pressing issues. Is Cardano a wise speculation for long haul? Will Cardano reach $100? Or what will Cardano ADA be worth in 2025-2030? What is Cardano ADA? Cardano Network is a decentralized verification of stake (POS) blockchain intended to be a more effective choice to evidence of work (POW) networks like Bitcoin. It has higher interoperability and adaptability potential and is additionally quicker, less expensive, and more maintainable than POW blockchains. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to be a decentralized application (DApp) improvement stage with an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record and evident shard agreements. Cardano was established in 2015 by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the principal POS agreement convention that is staggeringly secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholastic exploration. Each change to the Cardano Gate is peer-evaluated and moored by an exploration-based structure. Cardano sees itself as a refreshed rendition of Ethereum and has blessed itself a third age stage, contrasted in Ethereum's second age certifications. The blockchain stage likewise has an objective of giving financial administrations to the world's unbanked. One of Cardano's huge upgrades is the Vassal mainnet update delivered on 22 September 2022. Which vowed to raise the organization's ability and improve the versatility of the blockchain. Furthermore, the Plutus V2 cost model was empowered by the Cardano blockchain, bringing about lower exchange costs for shard agreements. Indeed, even in a down market in 2022, Cardano endeavors to propel its items reliably. Financial backers ought to feel certain accordingly, in light of the fact that the venture's utility continues to develop. This recognizes Cardano from a few other image monetary forms. Notwithstanding a ton of rivalry, Cardano ADA is as yet one of the most famous cryptos. At the hour of compassing, its market capitalization is about $11 billion. Making ADA one of the main 10 digital forms of money on the planet. Most recent Cardano news: Cardano is siphoning after Wave won the claim against SEC. This questions the SEC choice to consider Cardano as a security, which likewise prompted delisting from certain trades. The Wave court choice has provoked different reactions from the Cardano people group. Some view it as sure, possibly legitimizing Cardano and upgrading its enticement for institutional financial backers. Nonetheless, others caution that this administering doesn't block conceivable future SEC investigation. Cardano Central Examination: Cardano's specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital currencies on the planet. There is a local area overview that which crypto, beyond ETH, financial backers would like to see overwhelm exchanges in 2035. ADA got 42% of the in excess of 600,000 votes, while Bitcoin got 38.4%. Throughout the last year, Cardano has secured itself as one of the most dynamic crypto resources. It is wagering on the expanded organization improvement to overwhelm the significant contenders like Ethereum. However, the cost of Cardano is at present 89% lower than its ETH. Brokers might be more playful over the long haul, assuming they consider how the organization is creating. One technique for foreseeing whether a brilliant chain network is doing great is to take a gander at the exhibition of its DeFi environment, its development in TVL and network addresses, which demonstrate the developing standard reception of a crypto project. DeFi likewise matters, since it is the best use case for blockchain innovation. Crucial examination like these ought to be of more noteworthy worry to long-haul financial backers. Cardano value history. Like numerous other digital forms of money, ADA has gone through a significant stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020. Later on, it arrived at the top at $3.10 in September 2021, predominantly because of the positively trending market and the making of shrewd agreements on the Cardano blockchain. Yet again, and the cost was then compelled to take misfortunes, particularly when the critical bear market started. Long preferred by long-haul financial backers, ADA crashed alongside the remainder of the crypto market in 2022 and finished the year at two-year lows of 24 cents, down almost 90% from the earliest starting point when it exchanged at $2.28. That is the reason we generally saw a question like, is Cardano dead? In spite of every one of these, because of the way that Cardano has every one of the signs of a fruitful crypto project, an extraordinary group, a steady and strong local area, and a solid specialized establishment, most Cardano value expectations are as yet bullish on this coin. There are additionally a few financial backers who became disheartened in this coin, as they naturally suspect following through on its promises couldn't. In any case, they appear to be a minority, and most holders accept that the future cost of ADA will surpass its past ATH. Cardano value examination. Digital currency markets have been uncommonly unpredictable over the course of the last week, in wake of a US judge deciding that XRP isn't a security, and that Wave's XRP deals through open trades didn't comprise the contribution of a speculation contract. The decision, promoted as a major win for the business, conveyed a major lift to opinion, lifting ADA 23.5% on the day. Yet, benefit taking has taken over following day, maybe exacerbated by reports of cutbacks at Binance. Some in the crypto space are likewise contending that the US judge's XRP administering has added to administrative disarray, considering that the appointed authority additionally said that Wave's institutional XRP deals abused government protections regulation. At the hour of compassing, Cardano is exchanging at 32 cents, with a market capitalization of $11,116,827,795, positioning number 7th among all digital currencies by that measurement. In the beyond 24 hours, the ADA coin cost has expanded by 3.23%, with an exchanging volume of $347,229,344. One way or the other, the ADA pullback and inability to hold over the 35 cents obstruction region has confounded its close-term standpoint. Yet again, according to the specialized point of view, while ADA could well slip as far as possible back to test its earlier flag structure in the 30 cents region, this could introduce a decent chance for bulls to reach out. Cardano value forecasts 2023. In the event that the stage invites a flourishing user base and a spike in the pace of receptions and coordinated efforts, Cardano could see great development all through 2023.